Roger that. Going in for a refill in 3.1 seconds. Over. Oh shit. Alright, there's a tank. I'm stuck in a rod. Over. Go. I'm going right for him. I don't even care if I die. Over. Get ready. Oh shit. Get ready. Chasing the tank right now. In 5, 4, blow it! Yeah! Coming for a refill. Over. Roger that. Whoa. You ready? No! Oh no, I didn't kill him. He died anyways. Hold on. Alright, going in for refill. There's still a guy over here. Oh shit. You ready? There's a chopper landing over here. Ah! No. Got the small over by the trash can.